excited. Thank you.
So yeah, we live in it full time. It's been almost 3 years.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
You saw our little boutique out there.
Yeah.
We make things. I crochet. My partner does leather work. So we had to build this schoolie with that in mind. We had to have room for
Workspace.
all of this stuff so we could work on the road. Yeah. And so you'll see we've got lots of yarn, lots of leather.
Nice.
Lots of crochet.
I did crochet in my 20s, and it was fun.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Love it.
I've done it most of my life.
Crochet is awesome. Yeah, I have a little crochet. That's the craft I carry so that I could have
Yep.
some crafting materials on this trip.
Yep. So our refrigerator's here. Everything runs off of our solar.
Nice.
How much solar?
1,710 watts.
Ooh. Okay, so that sustains you even in that rain. Were you here during the rain? The 2 days of rain?
We did. It got low. We got down to 20%. We did end up running our generator for about an hour.
Yeah.
Just so we knew we could make it through the night.
Yeah.
Because it got cold.
There was sunshine.
Yeah, and now are you all charged up now?
I think we're all charged up.
Nice.
Now we're close. We're like in the 90s.
And how much battery power?
600 amp hours.
See, I got to get to that.
It's helpful. We do have an air conditioner in here, and the solar is enough to run our air conditioner and still charge our battery during the day.
Nice.
So it's sustainable with that amount.
So 1,000 watts and 600 amps.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 1700.
1,700. Okay. And you guys built it all yourself?
Yep, all of it was ourselves.
Did you paint all of these?
I did. It's actually all upcycled materials. We bought a cedar fence from a farmer and ripped it down, sanded it, and painted each one a different shade. So
That is amazing.
yeah, it was definitely a fun project.
That is some work.
Yeah, it is.
And you have a puppy?
bathroom. It's a wet bath. It has a shower pan and a compost toilet that we built ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah, and we've been using it for 3 years, and it's totally fine.
Nice.
And I don't feel congested or anything. You know what I mean? It's if you can twirl. I always tell people, give the twirl test.
When we were originally planning it out, we kind of envisioned it more broken up, but the way it's so much more efficient
to keep it open,
the aisle down the middle, and I like it. It works for us.
And you got your double chairs, your sitting chairs.
Yeah, we used to have a couch there when we originally moved in. We kind of made our own DIY couch with our old full-size mattress, and we had it for about a year and almost 2 years.
Okay.
And we realized nobody was coming and staying. Like they'd be in a tent or something, and I had all my yarn storage underneath it.
Okay.
So that was a real pain trying to get underneath and get my yarn. It ended up it was all on top of the couch, so there was still nowhere to sit.
Yeah.
So we ripped that out when I found this chair at a thrift store, and I'm like, this is like the perfect little grandma crochet chair.
Yeah, and be comfortable.
This one was right next to it, and I'm like, I'm not really crazy about that color, but it's kind of a cool looking chair.
Yeah.
And Carmen likes it, so that became our living room.
This is it. This does it.
It works for us. It's like
that's all that matters.
Yeah.
It's like what works for you and your space, because it has to reflect your taste and your comfort level.
Yep.
And it looks like this is comfy.
How many? Lots of storage up here.
Yeah,
this is pretty much all. It's all making stuff. It's like rhinestones and beads and feathers and everything to make the products that we sell.
So Alice is doing it, huh?
Yeah. She keeps us going. She keeps us going around the country.
How many times have you circled the country?
Not nearly enough yet.
Okay.
We haven't been west of the Mississippi in the bus yet. Okay. But this is the year.
Okay.
This is the year we're going to do it. Okay. We do music festivals. We do probably about 30 to 35 music festivals a year. Okay. So we've pretty much stuck to the East Coast corridor, like all the way over to like Michigan and Ohio and Indiana, but we haven't crossed over yet.
The Mississippi yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
This year we're looking more towards going to like Minnesota, Wisconsin, maybe the Dakotas. I don't know. We'll have to see.
Wow.
Still waiting for our schedule to pan out.
Okay. Got to play it by ear.
Yeah. As much as we'd like to just be freewheeling hippies and just go where we want to, we really have to plan it out. We have our schedule 6 months in advance, so we know where we're at.
And be safe.
Yeah.
Got to be safe. Got to be warm. Understand the weather, because who wants to be in rain? Who wants to be in snow?
Exactly. We built the bus to be in 70 degrees. Like, we insulated it, but we still kept all of our windows. I wanted it to look like a school bus.
Yeah.
Well, you'll be leaving Florida soon.
Yeah, we're gonna be leaving third week in April.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have a show in Atlanta then.
Okay, are you doing the show in Brooksville? There's a festival. There's a music festival.
There's a few of them. we don't have any of the Brooksville on our calendar right now. We usually do.
It's March.
Do them.
It's in March.
They have a lot of them in March.
There's 2 of them back to back at the same spot.
Yeah, it's Florida Sands Music Ranch.
Yep. That was it.
Yeah, we've been there a few times.
Oh, okay.
But we're not planning on doing it this year.
Okay.
So we'll have to see.
Oh, cool. Well, thank you for letting us see your beautiful, beautiful home.
Thank you.